Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to PCMB tutorial. This video is going to be a bit different from the previous videos because if we consider the current scenario, we can see that there is a great confusion regarding the admission of the students in various engineering colleges. After giving the entrance examinations like JEE and state entrance examinations like WBJEE, it is common to be in a dilemma such as NIT or IIT, computer science or IT or ETCE, and many others, especially in this year 2020, where many other entrance examinations like the second JEE mains, JEE advanced, and NEET are yet to be conducted. If you are a student of this year batch, then you can digest this situation a little bit because everything is new to you. But for droppers, it is extremely difficult. So we can help you out of this confusion. For this, we will come up with regular updates and suggestions which may act like a valuable piece of advice. The updates will be on examination, admission, college review, stream selection, and application procedure for different streams in different colleges, may it be government or private. So that's it. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, then subscribe it now. Please do like and share our videos, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thanks for watching the video.